a matter. It means in chemistry we study about the transformation of solid into liquid and liquid into gases and again gases into solid form. Right? So this is the introduction part that chemistry plays a very vital role. Means chemistry plays a very important role in our life. Okay, chemistry is a branch of science. The other two branches of sciences are physics and biology. Chemistry is further subdivided into organic chemistry, physical chemistry, and inorganic chemistry. Scientists define science as a blessing to humans that enriches human health and welfare with new products that make our life easier. Isn't it? Science makes our life easier. For example, if we take example in our classroom, if we don't have fans, then how can we stay without fans? Is it possible? No. Not convenience, sir, but with not convenience. You cannot stay there not comfortable. So science is a blessing. It's not a curse. Science is a blessing, and it is for the welfare of new product that makes our life easier. For example, what happens? We start our day with toothpaste, and toothpaste contains calcium carbonate. Correct? So this is a chemical. Then what we do? We take a cup of tea or milk. This is also a chemical product. What does it contain? Caffeine. For ages, chemistry has been used for the benefit and development of mankind. The various fields in chemistry is useful in our everyday life. So what is the usefulness of chemistry in our everyday life? It is written in this slide. Okay. Our life is completely dependent on chemistry. Right in the morning, we wake up, we need toothpaste and toothpaste to clean our teeth. They are made of certain chemicals. When we eat food, can we live without food? And moreover, without food, we can stay for some days. But without water, can we stay? No. What is the formula of water? H2O. And in which ratio does water combines in hydrogen and oxygen? What is the ratio?
2:1.
Yes, you are right. 2:1. Right. So what is written? When we eat food, we soon as we swallow the first bite, the chemical reaction starts in our body. The saliva starts secreting salivary amines. Okay. The chemical reaction starts in our body immediately. We know that all matter is made up of atoms, and atom is the smallest particle in any matter. So, chemistry is the study of everything around us. Chemistry plays an important role in our everyday life. How it plays an important role in our everyday life, we will discuss further. Chemistry in cleansing agents, soaps and detergents are cleaning agents that we use to clean our clothes, houses, etc. They are all made up of chemicals. Can anyone name the chemical which is present in soap and detergents? Sodium? Anybody? Sodium? Acetate. Okay. Salicylic acid. Our clothes, houses, etc. They are all made up of chemicals. Soaps are a mixture of oil like animal oil, coconut oil, olive and cottonseed oils with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Okay. So we must know that in soaps, what happens? Fats of some animals are also present in some soaps, not in all, in some. So chemistry in our everyday life. We can see with this picture what is that a capsule is immersed in water. What we do when we take some capsule, we must drink some water to make the medicine soluble Without that, we cannot digest properly. So in digestion process also, chemistry plays an important. What is chemistry? It is written there. Chemistry is the study of substances in terms of composition. And what does composition means? What a material is made up of. What a material is made up of. Structure. How the elementary particles are put together. Structure. इसको हम लिखेंगे क्या? संरचना. How the elementary particles are put together. Properties. What is property? What means the characteristics of the material. Reactions. You all are very familiar with the word reactions, which we did in class 10. Up to class 10, everybody has chemical reaction, right? So what does chemical reaction means? How it behaves with other substances. What happens when it reacts with some other substances? A car is started. What happens when a car is started? It started accelerating with some speed. Tarnish is removed from silver. Silver is shiny, right? So for tarnish, how tarnish is removed from silver? Then whenever a chemical reaction is occur. Fertilizer is added to help plants grow. In paddy fields or wheat fields, what we do? We apply some fertilizers in that. To do what? To make the soil fertile. Food is digested. Of course, food is digested with the help of some chemicals. In our stomach, hydrochloric acid is there. Okay, I am telling about some incident. It is in my class. One student of class 6 said that, ma'am, क्या HCl रहता है तो हम लोग का रिएक्शन नहीं होता, हम लोग जब उल्टी करते हैं तो HCl बाहर नहीं निकलता है. They said that. They asked me that. Electricity is produced from burning natural gas. Okay, electricity is produced from burning natural gas. Rust is formed from iron nails. Rust is formed from iron nails. जिसको हम लोग जंग बोलते हैं, ठीक है? Rust. How does rust occurs in iron nails? Due to the application of what? Due to the application of moisture, oxygen, right? With water. Everything in our life, from materials to life, involves chemistry. So chemistry is involved in everywhere, from materials to our life source. Glass. What is the formula of glass? SiO2 means silicon oxide. Guys. Glass is used in vehicles. Glass is used even in our classroom also. In windows, glasses are used. Metal alloys. And what does alloys mean? Alloys are a mixture of metals. Two metals. Suppose that bronze, or stainless steel. Chemically treated water. Which chemical is treated in water to make the water pure? Chlorine. Right? Plastics and polymers. There is a different branch in chemistry about the polymers. Plastics are the polymers of ethanol. Baking soda. The formula of baking soda is NaHCO3, which we call sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay? Okay? Sodium hydrogen carbonate is used in baking from C. What is the function of that? Keeps toothpaste from hardening or separating. Next chemical which is present in toothpaste is glycerin. What is the function of that? Makes toothpaste foam. Foam means cha. Okay, foam in the mouth. Next chemical which is present in toothpaste is sodium lauryl sulfate. What is the function of that? It acts as a detergent which is used to loosen clay. Titanium dioxide makes toothpaste base white and opaque. Opaque means light will be allowed to go. Triclosan. No, light won't be allowed. Inhibits bacteria that causes plague and gum diseases. Sodium chlorophosphate. These chemicals can be seen backside of the toothpaste also. Sodium chlorophosphate. It prevents formation of cavities by strengthening tooth enamel with fluoride. The last one chemical which is present in toothpaste is methyl salicylate. What is the function of that? It gives a pleasant flavor of winter green. Some smell are also come from toothpaste. Scientific method. The scientific method is the process which is used to explain observations in nature. All the science students or teachers must be aware of this term scientific method. We used to do practicals and we used to observe something in the lab and we make students also observe something. Science is mainly the study of the nature and the natural phenomena which occurs around us. So the scientific method involves making observations, forming a hypothesis. Hypothesis means we just believe that this will occur. This will be a theoretical part, okay? Doing experiments to test the hypothesis. We must do experiments to test the hypothesis whether it will be a correct or not. Math students must also be aware of that term hypothesis. So this diagram is about scientific method. This is the flow chart which is describing. First we will observe, then we will discuss about the hypothesis, then experiments, then we will do experiments, and after doing experiments we will check whether this hypothesis is correct or not, and then theoretical part. Theoretical part must be modified and it must be checked whether it will be correct or not, and we must support with this experiment. While doing the scientific experiment, some CDs are also there. We can give CDs with that. The form of CD is compact is use of measurement. What is measurement?
Unit.
Anybody? Measurement term? Comparison. Okay. Means we compare between two quantities, physical quantities. To need that, we must have some measurement units. And we have read about the 7 base SI quantities, which are very useful for measuring length. We say meters. Okay? Or when we go to a tailor, what we do? We say, give me 1 kg of cloth. To stitch that cloth. No? This is a measuring weight machine. Okay? This is the Rasgulla maybe. Yes, having some measurements, some weight in that 23.089 gram. In chemistry, quantities are measured. Okay? Quantities are measured. Experiments are performed, quantities are measured, experiments are performed, then results are being calculated. After applying some experiments, results are calculated. Use numbers to report measurements. So, to use numbers, we must be good in mathematics. To calculate using a meter stick. This is the meter stick. Meter stick. To say our length, human being's length, what we say? Some meter and some inches. Suppose at 5 meter, 6 inch. How many meter is equals to how much inches? Does anyone knows? If anybody knows, raise their hand and say. How much meter is equal to inches? 2.54 inches. Okay. So the unit of length is meter. Meter is used in both the metric unit and SI unit. It is written here, whatever I say, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Volume. This is the cylindrical flask, right? And some measurement is mentioned in this. In chemical lab also, these are present. Some chemical must be inserted in this. So what does volume mean? Volume is the space occupied by a substance. Volume is the space occupied by a substance. The unit of volume is liter, which is in the metric quadrant system, and the value is given 1 liter is equal to 1.606. The mass of an object is what does mass? The mass of an object is the measure of the quantity of material it contains. SI unit of mass is kilogram. Okay. The unit gram or kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to how much gram? This is written already in this. 1000 gram. What is the difference between mass and weight? If anybody knows, please raise their hand and give answer. What is the difference between mass and weight? Does anybody knows? All are you good?
Mass is measured in the presence of gravity. But mass and without gravity is right. Weight is gravity and mass.
Mass is the amount of a substance which is present in any matter. And what does weight mean? Weight is the force exerted into gravity. When we go to moon, what happens? Our weight or our mass, what changes? Yes. In how much? Yes. Just right. So it is written that only the same thing. Weight is the result of the action of gravity on mass. Your weight on the moon would be lot less even though your mass remains the same. Mass will remain the same in moon. Okay, the amount of substance, but weight will decrease. Despite this important difference, we will use these two terms interchangeably. Sometimes what happens? Weight and mass are used simultaneously. Please hold on. Now the term comes temperature. What does temperature mean? Temperature indicates the hotness or coldness of
Stopwatch.
Yes, this is the stopwatch. This is used to calculate the time. All of you must be looking the clock that when will this teacher will go. Time measurement. The unit second symbol is S, is used in the metric system. Time is based on atomic clock that uses a frequency emitted by cesium atoms. Okay. Time is based on atomic clock. Scientific notation. Scientific notation is used to write very large or very small numbers. It is used to indicate, and we used to teach scientific notation to our students. Scientific notation. The width of human hair. What is the width of human hair? It is written 0.0008 meter. Means we can say it is very thin. Our hair. And it can be written 0.0008 meter can be written as 8 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter because 6 zeros are there after the decimal point. Right? So we can write 8 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. A large number such as 45 lakh is written as 4.5 into 10 to the power 6 seconds. Large number can be written instead of writing so much of zeros, we can write 4.5 into 10 to the power 6 second, which will be more convenient, right? Now let us see this figure. What is the first figure? Any guesses? Is it a coffee or tea?
Black coffee. Black coffee.
Yes, right. Because coffee beans are there also in this. So what does coffee contain? Does it contain any chemicals? Yes, caffeine.
Caffeine.
Is it helpful to drink coffee?
Yes. Black coffee is healthy.
Yes, you are right to some extent, but excess of everything is bad. So this one is coffee. This can be said that this is a chemical product. After that, what is this? Alcohol. You must be taking that. Alcohol. It also contains chemicals. It also contains chemicals. What is the brand of this chemical product? Any guesses? Okay, keep this. The next one is bread. Okay. Bread. How bread can be baked or made up of? So wheat is produced, and then bread is baked. Okay. After that, you can see these. What is this? Toothpaste. Which brands are mentioned in this? Any guesses? Can we see?
Oral-B.
Oral-B.
Colgate.
Another one? Colgate. And another one?
Sensodyne.
Sensodyne. Okay. But it is not Sensodyne, so added or something like that still. So, as mentioned earlier also that toothpaste contains chemicals. Many chemicals were named before also. And this one. What is this? Cigarette. And which chemical does cigarette contain?
Nicotine.
Nicotine. Is it a useful product or harmful product?
Harmful.
Very harmful.
So we must not take this. But many are addicted to this, right? And the last one, which sometimes what happens, the price of onion rises. Onion, and what happens when we cut onion, some chemicals are produced and we start frying, right? So these are the chemicals which are already in this. So we can say every food items or beverages or alcoholic products contains what?
Chemicals.
Chemicals or The neutralizing chemical
Acidity.
we use to remove acidity.
Acidity.
So the options are sodium hydrogen carbonate, which was mentioned earlier, that baking soda, right? Sodium hydrogen carbonate, then magnesium hydroxide, then the third option is sodium carbonate, the last option is ammonium carbonate. Any guesses? Yes, please guess. B number, okay. Any other guesses? Then the left one is C and D. Both of you say this. The right option is C, okay, sodium carbonate. This cannot be used as an acetic acid, okay. The third question is for medicinal chemist. The classification of medications based on is the most useful. The options are pharmacological effect. The second option is molecular targets. The third option is chemical structure, and the fourth option is drug action. Classification of medications. In classifying different medicines, which one can be used? Any guesses? Please give us any guesses, or all of you can guess. Pharmacological structure. You must be thinking about the pharmacist and something like that. B pharma and something, and you are saying pharmacological effect, right? Easy chemical structure you are saying. D. The right option is molecular targets, okay? D. Not D1, it's B1, okay? The last question, drugs that prevent an enzyme's binding site from a substrate are known as, your options are messengers, poisons, inhibitors and receptors. Yes, you are right, sir. Inhibitor is the right answer. So I am concluding my session with some few lines, okay? Just listen this few lines patiently. After that, I will go. The applications of chemistry in the important and interesting areas can be mainly as medicines, food materials, and cleansing agents, which we discussed earlier also. Cleansing agents in soap, detergents, etc. Drugs are, what are drugs?
Medicines.
Or some other meaning also is there of drugs. Drugs are chemicals of low molecular mass. Approximately 100 to 500 unified bonds. Okay. These interact with macromolecular targets and produce a biological response. When biological response is therapeutic and useful, these chemicals are called medicines. You must have heard the term antibiotics. Okay. The example of antibiotic is penicillin, which is very useful chemical. So